Hello guys, today we're going to summarize the paper which is Evolutionary Undersampling for Extremely Imbalanced Big Data Classification under Apache Spark. So I've attached the name of the paper, the DOI and the PDF to download the paper. And it's also worth mentioning that one of the authors of this paper is Isaac Tiguero, who is an associate professor in the computer science department at the University of Nottingham. So what are the problems that we're trying to address here, and what does this paper actually contribute? Well, this paper offers a big data scheme that utilizes Apache Spark to tackle the lack of density problem in extremely imbalanced datasets. And if you're wondering what is a lack of density problem, well, it's a situation where there are not enough instances of the minority class to learn the distinguishing patterns or features that differentiate it from the majority class. So here comes the most interesting part. How will this paper address the problem? First, the data is split into smaller subsets on a distributed file system. It is then filtered to extract positive and negative examples, and all the positive examples are collected. All of the positive examples and a subset of negative examples are sent to each node. The EUS algorithm is used to further reduce the dataset. Then decision trees are built for each reduced dataset and collected at the end. Classifiers classify data points on multiple nodes and produce the results, which are collected at the end. So what about the data characteristics of this paper? Well, it's an imbalanced data due to the imbalanced nature between positive and negative classes. It's abstract data consisting of numerical and categorical data. It's static data where time is not even a factor. It's the structured multivariate data due to the presence of many features, reaching about 630 features in one of the datasets used. And it's scalar data, just the measurements of the attributes without any directions. Now for the evaluation type, actually this paper has two forms of evaluation which we're going to mention. So first evaluation is between two big data platforms, Hadoop and Apache Spark, using the same model while comparing the building time and the classification time. Well, the second evaluation is a performance analysis with Apache Spark comparing the proposed method and older methods for two different datasets. Building time and classification time are also used along with the AUC and G-mean. So this research is building on two core previous research papers, which are the Evolutionary Undersampling for Classification with Imbalanced Datasets, Proposals and Taxonomy, and the Evolutionary Undersampling for Imbalanced Big Data Classification.